Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. My name is Betty Burnett, and today I will be preparing for you some curry chicken. These are the ingredients I will be using today in my curry chicken: coriander, cumin, cardamon, bay leaves, peppercorns, ginger, garlic, chili powder, cumin, cardamon seeds. I have turmeric, whole onion, the bay leaves, cinnamon, and salt. Those are the ingredients for my curry chicken. Oh, there's one more item I forgot: coconut milk, which is right here. Coconut milk. That will go in my curry. So these are the ingredients. Now there is a short way of making it, but I like making mine from scratch, the seeds and everything. You can just buy the curry powder if you like. Okay, let's get started. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna roast all of the whole spices in a pan, a dry nonstick pan. I have all of the spices, the whole spices, in a skillet. I have all of the whole spices in a skillet. I will roast them for a few minutes until I can smell the spices. Then I'm gonna place it in my spice grinder and grind everything up. This is for the curry chicken. I will be bringing my chicken in a few minutes from the refrigerator after these spices are roasted. I have the new way on medium-low. I don't want to burn the spices, I just want to roast them. After the tomato sauce is added to the pan, add all of the spices to the pan. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ninja to chop up the tomatoes. Okay, they look very juicy. So I'm gonna just put them in the blender, that way I can use all of the juice of the tomatoes. I got all the tomatoes in the Ninja here. The tomatoes are blended really well. I just wanted to give you a look at my spices after I blend up the roasted spices. I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil to the pan. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start that. I'm gonna place it on medium-high for now. I'm gonna go ahead and add the onions to the pan. Let the onions cook for a while before I add any of the other ingredients to the pan. We'll cut this up, these 2 pieces of breast meat. It's been marinating for 24 hours. And the salt, vinegar, pepper flakes. I added the tomato sauce and let everything cook together. And I added the serrano peppers in there. So I'm gonna let this cook for a little while. I just added some cilantro to the pan. Grind spices, chicken, coconut milk. And mixed it in with all the other ingredients. I tasted it. It tastes delicious to me, but I love spicy food. So it'll be just perfect for us, but I would say those that don't like spicy food, leave the 2 slices of serrano peppers. Omit those. So, just so you know, okay? This is the rice that I cooked to go along with the curry chicken today. See how fluffy it is? This is my fluffy rice recipe. If you haven't gotten it off the website, do so, because this is the fluffiest rice you will probably ever see in a home kitchen. Okay, try it. You will need an Instant Pot. The one I have is a 8-quart Instant Pot. You can find it on my website, and the recipe is also on my website if you haven't written the fluffy rice recipe down. So this is what we're gonna have with the curry chicken today. I cooked this on medium high, and it's ready to eat. If you like this video, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching my video.